There is a dead seagull on the shore. Dead gull. It's pretty dead. Just got hit by the train. It has no head. It's pretty dead. That rhymes. Has no head and it's pretty dead. Let's give it a little prayer.
Thanks.
Dear Lord, please look after this dead gull because it's dead and it didn't deserve to die because it looked pretty young.
Look, I'm gonna put it in there.
Oh, that's so sad. Goodbye, gull. I joined here today to say goodbye to the dead gull. His name was Federico. He was 24 million months old.